Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gorgeous, gorgeous December day. I don't know what the hell's going on, but it is December 5th. Usually it's rainy, nasty, but look at this. This is insane. I'm gonna throw my gear on, take that gorgeous bike on a ride.
I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am. Stop. What the hell are you talking about? Get my pretty name out of your mouth. We are not the same with or without.
Don't talk about me like how you might know how I feel. Top of the world, but you're water than real. Your world's an ideal, so go have fun. I really couldn't care less, and you could give him my best, but just know
I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am.
I don't want press to put your name next to mine. We're on different lines, so I
Wanna be nice enough, they don't call my bluff, cause I hate to find
articles.
I'll fly the drone down the Ruston Way and the pier out here to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. It's actually pretty damn cool.
I'm not your friend or anything. Damn, you think that you're the man. I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything.
All right, that was kind of fun. Got a little bit of riff-raff in here. Down here at Ruston Way. Do a little drone action. Just out for a Sunday ride. God, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna run the drone over there and check out that boat. That looks pretty damn cool. Point Ruston is its name.
I said I'm going to another land. 2 feet or none, I'm headed for the sand. I'm doing just the best I can. I'm not my father, but I'm still a man. Let me love you like I've got to, before the morning sun come rob you. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Come on, babe. 'Cause when I leave, it's gonna be a long time coming round. 'Cause when I leave,
Back down here to Point Defiance Park. It's a cool little ferry terminal down here. Wanted to see if I can catch the ferry down here. Do a little drone shot of the ferry. Maybe cruise through that marina real fast.
I've got to, before the morning sun come rob you. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Come on, babe. when I leave, it's gonna be a long time coming round. 'Cause when I leave, it's gonna be a long time coming round. I made my way up on through Santa Fe. I turned around and seen the mess I made. Now you know that I can never change. Come on, babe. 'Cause when I leave, it's gonna be a long time coming round. 'Cause when I leave, it's gonna be a long time.